What's up, guys? It's me, Alexander. I'm back on YouTube. I know there's a secret in US called the achievement in Space Shenanigans level. I actually got that, and to do that, you need a private server, and you need infinite awakening plus no cooldown to get my password. And you go here, grab the trash can. When you press the R special or the starting with your mobile and plus punch, this will happen. And this will happen to you, and that's how you get space shenanigans. That's how I get it, and I was actually testing it out. It's actually real or not. So this is the end of the video, guys. So you're welcome for the learning thing.